lover boy. Amos to want them. Faithful lover. Holy Ghost lover. You too, Momo. Shakara love. Serious love.
No. Remove this makeup. Remove this makeup.
Why?
Hey, you didn't ask why. Ha! Even when you don't have makeup, you know they see the way all these wicked people they look you around. All these men they look you. They look you lustfully, they follow you like fly. Now you got rubber, now we resemble the goddess of the sun. Tell me how you won't be. Eh? You didn't ask me why.
It's too early for this now. It's too early. I can't do this right now. I can't.
So you can't remove the makeup? Okay, no problem. But see this canvas, you don't go wear them. You don't go wear this canvas. Let me tell you, you don't go wear this canvas. Okay, you don't see what happened the other day. Oh, you don't see a day observant. When would they walk out for road? That man will drive deep. Just they look your leg because of this canvas. You don't see this canvas, they bring out the sexiness of your leg. They show how beautiful your leg be. No, now. They can't be looking at my treasure. It not go happen. You don't go wear this canvas. You see this canvas, you don't go wear them.
Oh, no, Amos, no. Amos, stop! I'm tired of this. Stop it! See, this is no longer love. This is no longer love. This is obsession. Stop it! I need to go to work.
No.
This is no longer love, Amos. This is no longer love.
They know where they look my treasure.
What? Amos!
Boss, honestly speaking, I don't think Amos will come here this morning. No, I don't think he will come. I have this feeling, I am not sure, but I am suspecting that he might have followed that girl to the hospital. Yes, and if it is so, you know how he does. He's likely going to stay there till she finishes, and it may be later in the evening. So if you ask me, I would suggest we postpone this meeting and reconvene in the evening. By then, he must have come back. What do you think?
I think you have a point there. I would have taken a decision on this matter. But I don't want it to look as if I'm usurping his powers.
Very correct.
So we'll just shift it to later in the evening. But before I know, can I take one more? Before I know, butcher. Barman, 2 bottles of Hero, because.
Amos. Oh, yeah, what up? Eva. See woman, see beauty. The only nurse where they this our village where they shine like morning. Shut up! You go collect it. Okay, you go collect it. What's in now? Eh? No be na praise I just who not the quarrel now. Okay? Eh? I dey tell you now, any day, any time, any hour. When you see my treasure, Eva, make it just make you turn. Come on your eye for where she did. Okay. Now the Chris. Help!
Amos, stop it now! Stop it! Can you just stop embarrassing me? Can you stop embarrassing me? Can you stop? Stop now!
You say embarrassment. Embarrassment for this our matter. You fool am. Because you know say me and you don't swear say for this our matter na for better and for worse. Because the way people they took eye for this our matter, they bring in their mouth, they poke nose for this matter. Eva, now for better and for war, because me are ready for war.
Ayo, you know sir, they firstly for you. At the verse, get here. Ayo, see, make I cap you. Me, I no like yesterday operation. Why you go order me make I go buy that pregnant woman? When you know say, me, Rock, I don't get this covenant with the senior match we create men. We create that woman. If they pay me for body, and anytime what the verse I didn't know. I been the shout for, you don't know this village.
Now then came my only sister and my mother. Many years ago when I did small, I been defined this question. You gave one question why I been they ask, and I needed an answer. And nobody they answer me. And it can't be this village. Now I still they ask this same question. And they must give me the answer. If they don't give me answer, I always get the answer. Anything I see for this village, oh boy, I go kill him. If I see mama, I go kill him. If I see papa, I go kill him. Anything. My blood they hot for this village. My only sister, mother. You dey tell me that thing. Oh boy, you dey make me angry. Oh.
See, I don't caprison your caprison iron. You know they tell me this story since, not be today. You understand? But see, you know what they vexiling me like this, Now you go ask me, make I go buy that woman, that pregnant woman. Me, I even think say, if we enter that place last night, you understand? For the operation, we go. Now just make we carry the money to Ama. I go order me, make I go buy that woman. See, you know, I don't like him. If they vex me for my birthday.
Oh boy, you dey crazy, oh. I dey even thank God say na this same village where I been dey ask question where they na them they give me answer. I come dey look say na here be our own hideout when kasara burst for street. Then boss now say make I dey my own lane, make him dey him own lane. And he come this same village where I get beef with. Why I been dey ask question where go give me answer. Now you dey tell me say maybe can you dey, oh boy. As it be now, even you yourself, if you won't stop me, I go kill you. I go ask you that same question. No, there isn't me before you get answer where you dey look for.
Ayo, easy or pressure. No one. As it be like this now, how today movement go be?
So, like I said, that is the reason I came back here to our village. Emana asking if I will came to NOSA. I need a beautiful girl I will marry. I've been trying to reach my childhood friend Amos, and his phone has been unreachable. And I was told that once I come here, I will see him or any of you. So thank God I met you. Not that I cannot pick a girl to marry. I'm equally the son of the soil. But you guys are grounded here. You will make a better choice for me. Imanandeba is another kumbanu anabula bani. Makananteti ya beji. Eme megidiva okay jamani akana mpio. Okay,
do go to fresh. One day you go to fresh cars on door. You did the right thing. You see, Mago here. We have the most beautiful and fruitful women. Now, it gives me joy when we marry amongst ourselves. Kata, you open doors. Just a strong throw. You are in your in-laws house. So you just give it from now to evening. Mbunyegi list. Mbunyegi complete list of the most beautiful and responsible women in this village. You don't need to bother yourself.
Please wait. Repeat what you just said now.
I said that Amos escorted the love of his life to the hospital where she works. That is what he does every day.
Wait, you mean wherever his girlfriend goes, he follows her up and down?
That one everyday drama now. Everyone in this community is aware of that. Not be new thing again. If the girl is taking her bath, Amos will be there with his gun, with his gun. If she's going to the church, Amos will accompany her to church, guiding her, like protecting her with his gun. Sometimes, if she is sleeping, Amos, my brother, will be awake just to ensure that nothing happens to her. He said that the girl is the love of his life, the air that he breathes.
I'm not sure Amos will exist without that girl. Seriously, he will not cope. Everybody knows. He will not cope.
Well, as his childhood friend, I got into town and decided to check on him. So if he comes back, tell him that I came here.
Okay, I'll do just
also,
that.
tell him that he should come over.
Okay.
John, please remind him that he should not forget our meeting today, our security meeting. Remind him that he's still the head of the security unit. Not as him. Because for the past 3 weeks, he has not been attending meeting. And he has been skipping duties. I am tired of covering for him. I don't want the chairman of security unit and our president general to find out.
I will.
That's on it.
Remember what I told you. Tell him to come over. In fact, I have a very big surprise for him.
Oh, really? No problem, I'll tell him. All right, bye-bye.
Mr. Jones, I told you that I like the place already. Please, come very fast with all the documents. I have to sign and you have to sign. I have the cash. Yeah, I came with the cash. You say you don't want to transfer. Yeah, exactly. Please, you have to make it very fast because I'm leaving here before 10 minutes because I'm not comfortable here. I'm not comfortable. Please, make it very fast. Come with all documents. Everything has to be done here immediately. Please, I'm waiting for you. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Don't move! Hey, don't move! Where's the money? Please. Where is the money?
Please, which money?
Where's the money?
Please.
You think I'm joking with you?
What do you want?
Where's the money? Give me the money!
Oh my God. Please. Calm down, please. Calm down.
Where's the money? Where is it?
The money? Please, calm down.
Where is it?
Calm down. Please, just calm down. I'll give you the money, please. Please, calm down. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. I'll give you the money. Please. Calm down.
Fast.
Calm down. Please. I don't like seeing this, please. I don't like
the
seeing
money.
This. Please. I'll give you the money. Just calm down. What do you want exactly?
The money.
The money
that you want to use to buy land.
Oh my God. How do you know that I have the money? Please, don't kill me. I'll give you the money. Look at the money. Please don't kill me. Please, leave me. Please. Don't.
Amos, my mama don't die. My mama won't die now. I mean, my mama there for the point of dying. Now. I beg. Help me. She needs medical attention. Now. I beg, just help me. Make Eva come help me. You say, make Eva just help me. Give her medicine. I beg. After you don't try that strategy in the morning, when you work, you don't come this night again. Come try am. Okay? Make you turn and go back to your house. Nobody they seek for a house. Okay, nobody they seek for on a house. I know this time. This time when you want now for Eva to follow you. When you don't reach that place, you can aside her, raise her up, enter her secret place. When me, I never enter. Okay, go back. How? I'm gonna use person in life play with you. My mama know they talk to me now. You know even they recognize him begin and they call him, you know the answer. You know the answer. Okay. You know the answer. Okay, I know the strategy. Go back. No.
Can you allow me to go through this patient, please? This is my calling now. I'm tired of this thing, no. Your love is becoming very unbearable for me.
My treasure, you see these people? Now what people? I know all these their formats. All these their formats now for them to enter that secret place. And you know what? Okay. See, I use the name of any god where you worship. I use any god where you worship now. I beg you. Just make your woman come save my mother life now. I beg. I take God beg you. My treasure no they go anywhere. You dey hear me?
I beg now.
Okay? You wan go, abi you no wan go? Choose one.
Na person.
Because right now you go collect.
Okay. You don't know. No, you don't do. Iba, Biko.
My treasure, Eva.
Stop, Joe.
You see all these things now, format. All these people now, what people? They won't just find way enter your secret place when me I never enter. No, it no go happen. What people? Now my treasure. Now my treasure now want enter. What people? And they are around. My treasure. Songo. I go allow Eva go treat Mama okay on one condition.
What condition?
I go follow her, go. And you see that room with Mama okay there inside. As she dey enter inside, I go follow her enter. Agreed?
I agreed. Let's go.
Okay.
I don't care. I must love a boy. I don't care. I must love a boy. I don't care. I must want them. Faithful lover. Holy Ghost lover. You sabi love on your man. You sabi mumu. I don't care. You too mumu. I don't care. Shakara love. I don't care. Serious love.
No.
Hey. Brother. I saw Amos as I was coming back from the street.
Amos.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Huh? Very sure now. I saw him as I was coming back from the stream.
Amos. Okay, there's no problem. I will go and see him once I'm done with my morning activities. Eh?
You too caring. I must love doctor. I must love a boy. Love one thing. Well, now they see this kind of come on, Hajoebe. Well, now they see this kind of come on, Hajo. Love who can wear me, but no, come on, Bella Lily.
Okay, you talk. Okay, the fear man. How are you? How are you doing this morning?
I know they're okay. I know they're okay. Huh? See, after I don't survive the punch and the pounding where Amos pound me yesterday, I carry myself go. You remember Polycarp? That man where they say he retire for a military hospital. We get chemist now.
Oh, Polycarp. Yes.
I carry myself go make it just go give me ordinary paracetamol and abunike. Make I use and help myself. He said no. Say this case don't pass that one. Say the punch where this guy punch me. I mean Amos now. Say he don't give me internal gallop. Say he go only use this bandage and tie me. When he tie me, my head go align. As the man put me for OC, tie me. Eh? He tell me say from now till evening. Say na me go use my hand comot this bandage.
Huh? Good talking. But okay. What made Amos to do this thing to you? Because yesterday we agreed that he is going to escort his wife to come treat your mother. So why? How come? How come did he get to this level?
Na my mama. Na my mama be the beginning and the end of the problem where I get for this village.
How?
Na my mama. You know say before Amos been there even they suspect say he get one game plan where they won't try carry his wife go. You understand?
Yeah.
Now so after even okay, no be you come put man for the matter. We make in the convince follow us go house. Immediately we don't reach house, bam. My mama strong. You don't look like person where they shake things. I wonder. He stand up strong. Now dear Amos come beat me. You know what he be pounding? Amos bounce on me. But as a son of grace, I no die. I survive him. After they don't come go, now I go meet my mama. Come, tell me, how come? You will one die now. I say make a rush. Go get rescue. Before I go come. You don't wake up. You won't come, make the kill your own son. Now he tell me say since we don't delay, since now she just stand up, enter backyard, go cut bitter leaf, carry salt, mix them together, come drink the water. See now so the sickness just go. Oh, now like that I for take go.
So now your mama set you up like this.
For waiting I don't know. And I tell you say, I didn't say that woman not be my mother. I didn't say she not be my mother. This village for don't bury elderly woman.
Huh?
This village for don't bury elderly woman. Maybe she won't kill me for inside this village.
Just make sure you press it out later in the evening.
My mother's man. My man chief.
Why you dey shout now? I never still believe this thing when they tell me so. Yeah. This is a small car. This is one of the cars I use for Uber in the city. What is Uber? Uber na taxi online services.
For city?
Yes, for city. Don't worry, once I get back to the city, I will tell them to bring this car for you.
Wait. You mean say they go leave this car for me, Amos?
Why they sound like this now? Have you forgotten how we used to roll back then in this village? Yeah? The hunting and...
My manners. No be say I no believe you. No be say I no believe you. I know they doubt you. But just that now until when I don't sleep, wake up, see this car. I use my hand on am, drive come back, sleep again, wake up, still. Now that's how I'm gonna say yes. The car really belong to me. One more. Hey, but the car final.
You are my guy. I can't do anything for you now.
Yes. But you know, say, Sonny, this car go really help me. Oh. You know, say all these wicked people wait for this village. Then they put eye for my matter. This car ain't go give me level for where they dey. Even my treasure self go dey inside. I go put them inside the car. When we dey come out, I go wind the glass up. They not gonna see my treasure. I don't come around. Sorry.
You can never change it.
I love my treasure. She go soon come out now, sir. Yeah, she go soon come out. So once she come out, I go break the latest news for her. Yes, she will be very, very happy. Very, very happy. She go not say yes. Amos level don't increase. My man.
You are my person.
Forever, my man.
You know that.
Sonny.
Good morning.
Eva, my treasure, meet Sonny. He lives in the city. Yeah, Sonny, meet my treasure, Eva.
Eva.
Yes.
Wow. How are you?
I'm great.
I will come and see you later. You can start going. I want to see her off. She's going to work. So when I come back.
No. How can you allow a beautiful lady like this to trek to work? No, it's not normal. Don't worry, I'm going to drop her off. Once I'm done with that, I will still come back. We have a lot of things to talk about. Okay.
Sorry.
My mom!
Amos, what is happening now? Huh? I thought we discussed something just now.
she swore it's for better for worse, so together we shall be.
I said you should wait behind. After dropping her, we'll still come back now. I thought...
No. Things are not done that way. She'll have to go to the back. I will stay at the front.
Amos,
Eh?
go to the back.
My treasure.
Hey.
If I'm to go to the back, he will join me. He will join me.
Chineke. Amos,
Amos can do anything just to please his love. I don't care. Amos can do anything just to please his wife. I don't care. Amos to love her. I don't care. Amos to love her. I don't care. Amos to love her. I don't care. Serious love. I don't care. Amos to NOSA. I don't care. Amos to carpenter. I don't care. Amos to bricklayer. I don't care. Amos to docking. I don't care. Amos to lover boy. I don't care. Amos to lover boy. I don't care.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your brother Sonny at home?
Oh, no. He went to see Amos.
Amos?
Yes, Amos.
So finally, Amos is caught at home.
My dear.
Okay, in that case, let me rush to Amos' house and meet them out there.
No problem.
Oh, you take care of yourself.
Songo.
So that is it. Amos no longer attends our meetings. He's much more concerned about that girl, Eva. As a matter of fact, he's infatuated about her. He sees her everywhere. He thinks of her. We are all fed up. So the thing is, if you're willing, you will come. If you're willing, I will submit your name to our security chairman. They will bring you in. You will take my position, and I will take Songo's position. Then Songo will take Amos' position as the chief security officer.
It's simple like this.
As simple as ABC.
But Professor, no vex. I feel ask question.
Sure, go on.
Okay. I beg. How much be the salary for the work?
50,000 per month.
Na big money. Na big money. I fit ask another question.
Go on.
No vex. Now, in case for night, real thief attack. Una they fight them back. Abi una they run, go hide. Find one kind of story. Just tell you say, hey, we need sophisticated weapon and bomb.
My friend, securing the community is a serious business. The very moment you sign to be a personnel, you sign to be awake while others are sleeping. You sign to lay down your life for others. So yes, when we are faced with criminals, dangerous criminals, we attack them with everything we've got. We face them squarely. That is it.
With this gun?
Of course.
Okay. I fit still ask another question.
Go on.
Okay. You see, as I be the only son. And I just, you get one woman I won't marry. I beg. And I won't ask, if I enter this work now, una fit just, they allow me to work for daytime, only daytime, so that I go make sure, say, my wife born me 2 boys. You understand? If he born me 2 boys, after the 2 boys, I go fit they come back now, come work night duty, so that if anything go happen, my name no lost.
My friend, do you think I'm here to joke? What kind of a stupid question is that?
No,
listen to me. If you are not interested, I will submit another person's name.
But he never reached to vex now. He never reached to something we go begin to open eye. Don't be our community. This is a matter of protecting community and giving life. My life. I can't give life now. What is after all? If Jesus can give life to all of us, what am I? I think give the life. Is it not our community policing this thing? My life. I will give my life now. Is it not my life? But I go carry the life if I don't use it, just surrender them to our community.
So that is it. Oh. I never knew Amos is this crazy until now. But you see that beautiful girl I saw? I will do everything within my power to make her my wife.
Bam. But I support you 100%. That girl is very, very beautiful.
In Aguamagua.
She's every man's dream. Brother, whatever you will do to make her your wife, do it all. I'm not even sure if she likes Amos like that. Anytime you see her around Amos, she's always unhappy. Eh?
Son, you see this dream, we want the dream here. And I no go wake up.
What do you mean?
You see this you carry for head? Now Amos straight mark 9 be this. Oh yes. See, anything where you want do, come out even. Because to me, well, I don't know your own plan. But if you ask me, I go tell you now, say, I just forget this dream. We know, no matter how you dream up, you know achieve them. No, I mean, Amos no they carry that girl play. In fact, as I did now, I go support you, make we enter this village, find any fine girl at all. Me, I go there your front, follow there your back, escort you, make you go find any fine girl. But for Amos matter, I beg.
One now.
Beg.
Relax. As for that girl, she's already my wife. You don't have to bother yourself at all.
You don't understand. You know what him be say, person demand. Unless you don't dey ready to dance the dance of Surugede with Amos. I dey tell you.
Okay. Listen. You see that girl? I'm not going to tear Jara. Obviously, I'm more kind of.
Oh, again,
Okay. Just, it's a done deal. Just forget about it. Go and bring drinks. Bring drinks. Just get that small table.
I spoke them.
What is it?
They've arrested one of us.
One of us? Who?
Amos have been arrested.
Amos! What happened?
Amos almost killed someone today.
Someone?
Yes.
This someone, is he a criminal or a kidnapper?
Oh, if it were to be a criminal, we'll be rejoicing by now. Huh? Amos almost shot a lady today.
Huh? What happened?
See, there was an incident at the hospital. Eva was attending to a male patient, and Amos insisted that he must be in the ward to make sure that nothing is going on between Eva and the male patient. You understand what I mean? Okay. You know that is contrary to medical ethics and hospital whatever. You know. So the nurse insisted that he must stay outside while they do the activities inside. Amos flamed up. He flamed up. Before he knew it, he charged his weapon against this woman and fired. I am telling you. And thank God he missed. Before you knew it, the hospital management called the police and they whisked Amos away. My boy.
Amos!
This is
Amos Ukranike. Every day Amos Eva. Every day in this village is Amos Eva.
I am tired of it.
What kind of problem is this? Okay, you know what? Let's go to the police station, okay? Let's go.
Choma, what is it? Talk now. Angela, it's my brother. It's my brother. My brother is in police custody and they need someone of great influence to release him. Biko, help me talk to your brother.
Why must it be this your brother? Every time is your brother, your brother, this, your brother, that. Ogenidi, is he the only one in this village?
Angela, I know.
You must talk to him, oh.
I will, but remember the saying that the fox must be chased away first. Then the hen would be warned against wandering in the bush. Every other thing, and you talk to your brother because I want my brother to be released. Oh, Biko, please. Come on. Hey, thank you. Brother Sonny, please. I'm begging you. Help me bail my brother. Please. The police insisted that it must be someone of great influence that will bail him. Please, I beg you. I know you can do this. Biko, please.
Brother, one name, Biko. Oh? Biko. Oh? Brother.
Brother Sonny, please.
Oga, you see that case? That case don't go up. That boy they call Amos. Get mind. Raise hand, slap our Oga. Hey, you see that case? That case, I know if you put a man to. If I want to see our Oga, Muna go office. Oga they there. And they go now, as they move now, they will go do another arrest. So Muna go stand there.
You are the IPO now.
Oga, that case, pass me. Go see our Oga. Now not go pursue me from work.
Amos!
I am tired. I am tired of this same rubbish every day. Every day in this village, Amos Eva. I am tired. What kind of nonsense is this? After the drama he put up at the hospital, he went ahead to slap a senior police officer. Who does that? Tell me, who does that? If I were that police officer, I would just send him direct to prison.
Thank God for the intervention of Sonny. Otherwise, Amos would have been expressly tried and sent to prison where he would be cleaned up by now. But I believe after what they will do to him at the cell, when he comes out, he will come out a changed man.
Egwuregu talk, Amos. Amos change. The Amos that you and I know come out changed. Amos can never change. Amos that I know can never change. But since he say he will change, let's wait. Let's wait till whenever he will be released from the cell. Let's see if he will change.
I learned from a reliable source that he will be released this evening. So let's just hope that when he comes out, we will see a change in him.
Change? You're still talking of change?
Yes.
This same change they promised us. You're still saying change. Amos. Okay, I want the change.
So tell me, what are your fears? Huh?
Brother Sonny, I understand how deeply you like Eva, but my brother is crazily in love with her. Do you know he went to the extent of selling the only pickup truck he inherited from my late father just to see Eva through nursing school? The truck that he used to convey farm produce for people, and they pay him heavily. Listen, Brother Sonny, my brother can sacrifice anything for Eva just to make her happy.
Wait. Has he performed any marital rites? I mean, has he paid dowry on her head?
No.
So what are you talking about? Huh? The girl is as free as a bird. How much is a pickup truck? Eh? Listen, I am going to give him this car. Yes. And I can even give him another car in replacement of that pickup truck. Eva is a very beautiful girl. In fact, to further prove my sincerity in this issue, I am going to take you out now for shopping. I am going to buy you people things so that she can see how a real man treats a lady. A lady, especially a lady as beautiful as Eva. Let's go. That girl needs someone who can take good care of her. Not someone who moves about with a gun in the village.
Police this time around. Please. They must keep police next time. I don't think they won't tell me.
Now for this guy, yo. This guy don't look like person we go even repent at all. Now police cell where you shoot somebody, where they carry you go lock. Now God help me they release you. I see come back, the ginger he go keep us, he go do this, he go do that. The only prayer we I get for you. Now if God, if you never ever answer my prayer, answer this one. Save us from the problem of Amos and Eva.
Sonny, thank you. Wow. Sonny, it's so nice of you. Thank you so much.
Please,
thank you.
don't mention.
Never do this for me.
Are you for real?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Angela! Listen, anybody that comes here, don't entertain that person. Do you understand me? Okay. What's her name? What's her name? Where's her name? General! What people? Wicked people! Eh? We don't want to leave my treasure! In fact, because of evil, everybody within this house go collect! Everybody go collect! In fact, Sonny, you see the way you carry my sister go shopping, go buy her things. I don't want to know how you take convince her. Better come out, they go my house now. Go and convince her, pack everything. You hear me? Everybody go collect!
Faithful lover, Holy Ghost lover. You sabi love for your man. You sabi mumu. I don't care. You too mumu. I don't care. Shakara love. I don't care. Serious love. I don't care. Love one thing.
Eva, though you're my senior colleague, but you took me as a junior sister, I'll tell you the truth. Can you please leave this Amos guy? This Amos is not good for you. He's a village thug. One day he's going to open his gun at you, and that's going to be the end. Please, you're beautiful. You deserve someone like Sonny. Consider this Sonny. Sonny is from the city. He's posh. He's more switched up. One day, this Amos guy will mistakenly open his gun on you, and that's going to be the end. Leave this Amos, this village thug. Leave him. You deserve someone better.
Faithful lover.
Amos. Amos. I was going to your house to inform you that the PG wants to have a meeting with the security unit.
As how? I don't understand. As what in?
He said some cows ate up the farmer's crops, that we need to strategize on how to resolve the issue before it turns into crisis.
Songo. So what in they worry you now, cow? And people where they carry cow matter. You don't ask me what in they worry me. Songo. So you don't fear me people where they carry cow and people where get farm, no get crisis. You don't ask about the crisis when they happen up in my life. Eh, Songo?
But that is your job. That is why you're the head of the security unit.
Head of what? Now me too mistake collect that position. Songo, now me too mistake collect that position. Songo, say you collect. Songo, you don't collect.
Amos, don't do this now. That is it. Pico.
Songo!
Amos can do anything just to please his love. I don't care. Amos can do anything just to please his wife.
What is this level?
Amos to love. I don't care. Amos to love. I don't care. Amos to love. I don't care. Serious love. I don't care. Amos to love. I don't care. Amos to carpenter. I don't care. Amos to bricklayer. I don't care. Amos to docking. I don't care. Amos to love. I don't care.
Chuma!
Chuma, who locked this door?
If I where you are?
Eva was the one that locked the door. She left with her friend Nosvik.
If I left with who?
Nosvik, of course. Is anything the matter?
Hey!
Ah.
You, so you know everything what they happen. You know everything what they happen. Choma. Why we allow her follow Nosvik? Eh?
Hey.
When you know say like Nosvik they spoil this girl. Choma! After you don't follow that rubbish boy, go supermarket, go do shopping. You carry everything when buy for you. Can't go give Eva my treasure. Chuma, why you allow Eva come out?
Huh?
Why you allow Eva come out?
Which one be say why I allow Eva come out? I don't understand. Is Eva a baby? She is old enough to go to wherever she wants to go to. So why are you asking all this question? I don't understand.
Chuma, now you never meet this thing. Chuma, you know say Eva was little baby for where I gave me Amos.
Hey.
Chuma, you be like say I go start with you. Eva.
Brother, you know I've been supporting you. But the way things are going, I'm riddled with fear. Ujona to Zim. Please. Biko, leave Eva alone. The Amos that left here a few minutes ago is ready to kill because of that girl. She's not the only one in this village, Biko. Leave her. I have a friend of mine. She was my schoolmate while we were in school. She's also a nurse. If it's a nurse you want, Biko, I'll bring her for you. She's beautiful. I can show you her picture. If you like her, Hapuzeniva, brother, Biko. Biko.
Angela, I have gone too far to go back now. Yes. I just received a text message from Eva.
Brother, you mean Eva sent you this?
Amos, Zukwanike. Okay, shut up. Okay, see my Eva. I thought I say you no go pass Eva. You no go pass Eva. Okay? You should have not pass Eva for my life. Okay? Okay, I will send this as a warning to you. To everybody, I don't care your level of authority for this village and anywhere. Okay? Make nobody come close to my Eva. Okay? I will clear that person. Clearance for that person. Okay? And they go on the media. Okay, and they go radio. And they go television. And they go tell people somewhere there. You read newspaper. Okay? Even people they read Twitter. Okay? They go send this out as a warning to everybody. Okay? Make nobody come close to Eva. I don't hear. Okay, you don't hear me. I don't hear now. Okay. I don't hear. Okay, I said no. I don't hear. That's all I do. If I say this guy Chris now, you look at well, nah, normal person. Eh? If I say nah, love person, you can make a Chris.
Eva, I am here now. So, how do you want us to go about it?
Sonny, anything you have to do, anything you're ready to offer, I am ready. Please, just take me out of here.
Oh, wait. Are you doing this because you want to get out of Amos's problems? Or you're doing it because you have the same feeling I have for you?
Sonny, I'm not talking about love right now. Give it time. If we're meant to be, we will be. Please, I just want to leave this place. I just want to leave here. I'm choked. Compensate him with the car. Give him money, just give him anything and take me out of here, please.
Okay. In that case, this is what we are going to do.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your membership has been approved by the President General and Chairman of the Security Committee. Officially, I am now the new head of this security unit.
Okay.
And Booker here, my assistant.
Okay.
So in the absence of Amos, we'll go ahead with the daily activities. And by next week, we'll recruit new members. So you're welcome once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
It is obvious that Amos is no longer interested in this job. All he cares about is Eva. Securing Eva.
You have heard from our new boss. Once again, I welcome you to the group.
Thank you.
For now, I will hand you a torchlight and a machete. Then subsequently, I will train you on how to handle a gun. Then as we progress, the modus operandi of this unit and our top secrets will be revealed to you.
How can you go give one person gun and machete? You know too much for now.
I never said I was going to hand you a gun. I said I will train you on how to handle a gun.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I don't know if I ask question now, whether it's too early for me.
Go ahead with your question, okay?
Okay, sir. You know, so that time I tell you, say, you get woman where I want marry based on say, would they for road now to get 2 boys? You understand? So, and that time I beg you, say, whether could they allow me make I work only daytime so that I could use my own night for the other work, because I serve 2 masters now. I serve my community and I serve my family. You understand? So, and you can't tell me, say, you know, could they possible? So, I want to ask, if it is possible, make me at the work for early night, as in, una go allow me start my own night work from 5 o'clock. I go end by 7. Una go continue the rest.
When I say I understand, trust me, I understand perfectly. It is always difficult getting an old bottle of wine off its wooden box. But here am I, offering you life. A new life and a new beginning. Now listen, I say this from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. I love you with all my essence. You are my joy of inestimable value. Eva, the truth is, it's so unbearable seeing that village rascal policing you all over the place with a gun. He can mistakenly shoot you, and that will be the end. Eva, I love you. Please, I want you to understand.
Sonny, I've heard you, but let's stick to the plan.
Talk! Where Eva dey? Where you keep my treasure? I dey talk to you like this. Talk! Where you keep her? You know they hear me? Where you keep my treasure, Eva? I swear. The time don set for you to collect now. See, right now I don ready to shoot. Because I don see say you no wan talk. Na 3 guy hold like this, oh. Bullet dey inside, oh.
Bullet dey this gun o. Na shoot I wan shoot. Na shoot I wan shoot. Talk. Ha. So you prefer make I shoot you than for you to tell me where Eva dey? Eh? You prefer make I shoot you than for you to tell me where Eva dey? Ha. Oh, what people? What people? What people? What people? So, una no fit comot eye for wetin man treasure, wetin man talk say na him own. Una no fit comot eye. Why una wicked like this for wetin I treasure? For wetin I treasure? Na him dey put eye. Leave am for me. Leave am for me. So you rather allow me to shoot you for you to talk where Eva dey. So that tomorrow they go hold me. Say I don't go keep person. Why wicked? Why want people wicked like this? Why? 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 Talk!
Eva, where have you been? My brother has been going gaga. Eh? Eva, talk to me. Where have you been?
Chama, I don't have anything to say right now, okay? Huh?
Angela, make you know they look the way where this world be. Now what people that they full of wicked people. Make you know they judge me the way what they carry gun come before, come they threaten everybody. That's not be the real me. Now the real me be this. Now the real me be this when they beg you as a brother and a sister where you be. I beg. That's not be the real me. Now the real me be this. When they beg you, when they talk to you like a brother and a sister where you be to me. I beg. You get anywhere where Sonny they take hide Eva inside this place. Tell me now, I beg.
Sonny, Eva, inside this house. There's no Eva, there is no Sonny inside the house. Huh? Ha. Oh.
No be say I dey doubt you, I swear. I no dey doubt you. But if you just allow me, make I just enter inside, use my eyes, search everywhere. If I go see Eva, my treasure.
How can I allow you go inside the house and search our house? Eh? Don't you know I'm a woman? What if you go inside the house and see my things littered everywhere? Eh? What will you do? Or, for instance, my brother comes back and start looking for his money.
What people? Wicked people! Wicked people! I don't blame you now. Now myself I blame. Now myself I blame. Now me fuck up. Now me fuck up.
You don't know so you don't fuck up before. Your phone and food they throw away.
My love, Eva, my love, you know, see me and you will be like the eyes and nose. Anything where affect eyes, you go affect the nose. My treasure, please, make you just listen to me. Eva, baby, I beg. As the thing they worry you like this now, it dey affect my own mood. My treasure, you know say for togetherness, nothing be like tongue and teeth. But still, sometimes teeth still dey bite the tongue. But even at that, dem still dey dey together. My love, my treasure, make you just smile for me. Eva, my heart, Asanwa. Eva, baby.
Amos to lover boy, I don't care. Amos to love, I don't care. Serious lover, I don't care. Amos to NOSA, I don't care. Amos to carpenter, I don't care. Amos to bricklayer.
If there's a patient outside and he needs your attention, he's a man, please come and help him.
Anything man, if I no follow. Her medicine no dey work for man. Do you hear me?
Brother Amos, that man outside, his condition is critical. You come and say someone's like, he go go now.
Hey, Chama, Ingo heal.
Go now.
If you get there, Ingo heal. You dey hear me? In fact, more they go. I go handle them. More they go.
I don't let you go.
Go outside. Hey, would they handle anything? Go.
I don't care. Amos to lover boy, I don't care. Amos to love, I don't care. Serious lover, I don't care. Amos to NOSA, I don't care.
Help me, help me, help me, help me.
So now you, your plot, like be this, my brother, it don't fail. You hear me? Yesterday, no be like today. I know all on our plans. See the time where you come. Thinking say I no go there. Abi, you have failed. You carry this thing, come meet my treasure, so that when she won't treat you, you go enter her secret place. Place where me I never enter.
No.
Place where me I never enter. Abi, see, you know what they good for you now. Carry this thing, go back the place where you drink anything where I no know. Go back there, drink them again. This thing go fall. Not be my treasure to touch this thing.
I beg, help me talk to her. Beg, please, help me talk to Eva to help me. As I'm talking to you, I don't even know where I am. This world is turning me around. Please help me.
You never turn finish.
Help me.
You never turn.
Amos, please. The reason we have a trained and qualified nurse as Eva in this community is because of emergencies like this. Just come in and call Eva to come and help you.
You said?
Please.
Eva what? Trained what?
Qualified nurse.
Eva medicine no dey work for man body. Do you hear me? That is why I am here. This thing a man to man case. Now why I come out as man, they tell you say, carry this thing, go back that place where you drink waiting, I no know. Drink them again. This thing go fall.
Consider how Mr. this guy is in pains now.
It's in pains. What people?
Please.
You cannot see my Eva, my treasure.
Amos,
What people?
Amos, help this guy now. Amos, please call Eva to
It's not fair.
In fact, if I enter inside, come out again, and I meet you here, you go collect. You go collect.
Amos.
You hear me?
Please. Amos. Amos, please reconsider now, please.
What was the problem?
The man don't heal. Shebi, I tell you, say your medicine no dey work for man. As I go outside, I saw I take meet the man. The sickness self na man to man sickness. So I jam am. As the sickness is na me. As man what I be, I saw the thing take disappear. Just the way Momo OK case take disappear the other time. I saw this one take disappear too.
Please help.
I thought you said the truth. Are you?
So after everything I talk, you still carry this man go my window where they shout help. Abi? No problem. I think there's a solution now. You get one of my female goats, very sexy and beautiful. In don dey find pikin for 2 years now. So you go carry this thing, socket am inside. By the time you finish, the thing go drop.
relax now. No, now. How can you suggest that? How can you suggest that? How can you ask him to tango with a goat? That will amount to animal abuse now. Where has that ever been done? How can you allow him to abuse goat when you have human beings here who can help?
Human beings where? We have what?
Human beings.
Buka, I can see you're getting stubborn.
Eva, please, you have to ignore my brother's rhetorics and attend to this man. You know his life matters a lot. And don't forget, in medical ethics, it is always the patients first. Please, Biko, attend to this man. Ignore my brother. Oh, please. Biko, you just have to save his life.
I know what to do.
Hi. You be like they forget say I be your senior for this security matter. Buka, you be like say you go collect. Buka, you go collect. Carry this man come up for this place.
Boy, talk don't sour. She said I don't try for you. You say I said I'm my boss. I know if you do pass myself, I don't try. If you know where you bath, go there, go carry your wrapper. We move.
Please. You want help, Abi? Okay, no problem. The help is coming. So just sit, relax, The help is coming. Eva is coming out, to treat you. Just wait for me, I'm coming.
My God bless you. Hey.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey, my God bless you. Hey. Finally.
No, wait, make I come. Come now.
I can't need her.
No, you can move now. See the head. What people? My pressure. Now, I want come close to. If I collect now. Eva, my love, my treasure, you check am now. All these things na plan of the world people. To take you away from me. One person wey no keep woman by his side go take something wey go make him bola stand. That one no be plan. No be plan be that. And he come talk say na treatment he want. No! That man wan come enter you. He wan enter the place where me I never enter. And me I no go agree. All these things na plan of the world people. If they follow this way, I go block them. They go manufacture another way. They come again, I go block them. They go initiate another style again. Me, I go still block them. All these things na plan of the world people. Check out anything what I do, they go say I dey crazy. They go say I dey mad. Why I no go mad for the woman who I love? Why world people wicked like this? Why world people don't fit just leave you? Why?
Oh God, you help this my situation. I will never try a thing like this in my life. Oh boy, as you see me so, my mama blood they reading from my head. Say that same question why been they asked when nobody give me answer. Say that question, so I can get the answer today. See, Iron, I told they cap you say make you ease your pressure. Ease your pressure. See, you know say now they run with it. And they no pressure we just come up like this, we go run them. But I don't know me say you could just wake up one day, say you won't stop person blood. Say that blood they hungry you. Ease your pressure, man. If I say what they talk. You don't understand that. Say me and you know the same mission. At the time you say, my mama blood, they read for my head. You didn't hear they ask me that question. My mama tell me say, that question why didn't they ask? Whenever they give me answer, you see that question? So I get answer today. So as I'm CB, any best why I see for road. If I see right, I go kill him. If I see cat, I go kill him. If I see human being, I go kill him. I no go home empty-handed.
Now go place where they very far. Go be say myself, I don't go know where I reach. What people? You know what? Allow my treasure. You know what? Allow my treasure. No.
This is the top blood. I need blood. In the ring. I must keep person for day. I don't know. It's your pressure. It's your pressure. Like back, man.
Iron. I understand your capital.
You don't understand me, son, boy.
It's your pressure.
You don't understand me, son. Mama, I'm not ready for my head. Back. We got the wrong. Nothing for me. If I drop back, I know. I can buy out. Anything wrong. It's your pressure.
Good morning. Is Eva around?
No. My brother left with Eva very early in the morning. To where? I don't know.
Your brother? You don't know? Never mind. I was just thinking aloud.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
All right, bye. Take care of yourself.
My brother, this route you are taking is a very dangerous route. Very, very dangerous. I don't know why you are running away from your village. But if I will advise you, don't take this route. It's very dangerous.
I need blood, I need blood, I need blood. My mama blood. They need for my head. My mama tell me, say, that's a question why did they ask? Why they don't give me answer? Say that question, they give me answer today. So anything I see for road, I go kill him. If I see rat, I go kill him. If I see cat, I kill him.
Why you don't do?
I go kill him.
You don't do?
I go kill him.
If not because of the type of herbs I cultivate around here, which I use in making herbal medicine, you will not see me here. I am advising you, go back to your village. This place is bad.
Go back to which village?
Your village.
No village dangerous reach my village. Nothing in this world will make me carry my treasure. Go back that village. My village. Now what people food that village? Sorry, say I ask you question. No? Now me fuck up. But see for this matter, I head ahead.
Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you.
Oda, Choma said they left very, very early today. And nobody knows their whereabouts.
What?
Yes, so.
How?
I don't know.
The original arrangement was for us to meet here and then execute our plans.
Yeah. The Choma I saw earlier is either aware of their whereabouts and covering up for them, or she's completely oblivious of the whole situation.
My brother, that's exactly what happened. I was at the verge of giving up. In fact, I was almost dead when a hand tapped me. I opened my eyes and it was Okoro the hunter. And I explained my ordeal to him. He dipped his hand inside his hunting bag and brought out something which he administered on my manhood. There and then my erected manhood. It was at that moment I concluded that Okoro the hunter is a half man, half spirit.
No wonder. No wonder anytime he brings us security tips. By the time we go there, we end up capturing the criminals.
Okoro.
It is now I believe in the saying that indeed, Ike di no.
More the daddy.
There is power in traditional medicine.
More the daddy.
Okoro!
Better man. Strong man, good afternoon. No? How you doing now?
I do alright.
My name is Amos.
And now my treasure be this Eva. So now relocation what they do like this. So as I see you, I don't get hope say we don't reach where human being there. So boss, I beg, I don't know whether if you just show us any link, we feel link us to any better village. Yes.
If you follow this track road like this, you go see one thick forest like that. Just enter inside. Once you enter, you go walk straight. You go now see one fine village like that. Now fine people now in food there. It go good for you and your wife.
You mean
I did tell you.
Better people will not go to look my treasure. Baba God go bless you.
At least I don't see better place where they say people not go they look my treasure. Wicked people. You see what people Now yeah people them be. They not go see me. Baby girl.
Who be that vampire? Get a vampire snatch your blood. Don't wait for me. Let me go to your head and give you the blood now. Can you join your for? Where is the stupid person? I need blood. I said I need blood. Okay, you need blood. Come down. I need blood. You shaking now. You will not only drink blood. You will also drink the fountain of life. Don't jump now. Jump now. Come on, say you go to okay, man. Let me shot blood in this community.
I need blood.
Okay. Respected citizen of the country. So, okay, you're the one that needs blood.
Now, you know what, Mama?
Yeah, I don't know your mama.
You know, Mama, what happened 5 years ago?
Hey, okay, sorry.
Now you sit down.
Me kill your mama? Sir, I've never hurt an aunt before. No, I've not killed before. I've not killed, please, I'm sorry. If there's anywhere that I resemble somebody of your flashback, I'm sorry, it's not me.
Now you sit down.
Hey! Jesus.
Now you sit down.
Please, I know it's
Now you sit down. Answer number 1.
Ayon. Back, where am I?
So that is it. I don't know where they are, and I don't know what they are up to. But the bottom line is that they are missing. So, I want you guys to go in search of them.
We've heard you, Sonny. We will do our job and give you feedback before the end of today.
Good.
Thank you.
Where is this? Just lie down. Because even here where would they and where would they go, me I don't know. You hear me?
But why are you here? What are you doing here?
You say, hey, it is I don't know what thing they happen. Me, Amos, now me na one play. It is I not see the message where you send, honey. I see him. Eva, me will train you for nursing school. Me will send my pickup to take train you. Because as it be like this now, now for better and for war. In fact, you know say I see that message where you send, honey. Now there why I put sleeping medicine for that drink where I give you yesterday night. Now you see yourself like this. So Eva, make it ready. Ahead. Eva, ahead. Stop! Eva, ahead.
It doesn't make sense. You're acting crazy.
Bros, maybe you just now. Maybe you just tell me say this place na better place and na better people full am. Eh? Shut up! Shut up!
If I hear them now, I will waste you here.
What people? How na wicked? Hey, bros, you follow.
I go like you now.
It's okay. Any new development?
Nothing.
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 You mean they've not called? No calls yet?
The worst even happened.
What happened?
The last time I called Amos, a strange voice peaked and was threatening me.
A strange voice?
No. Yes.
What of Eva?
The same strange voice peaked and was threatening too.
This is serious. Could it be that they are kidnappers? Did they demand for any ransom? Like, did they disclose their location?
The strange voice warned me never to call their numbers again. I don't understand this whole thing. I don't. I just hope they are safe wherever they are. I hope so.
It's okay. It's okay.
Come and snap me here. Go. Come now, just this last one. This last one now, please. This last one. Okay.
Anyways, as you stay back, be careful. I heard those criminals have no mercy, and they don't even have a location where they can be found.
Seriously? Babe.
Wait though, what is Igwe and the elders of this land doing about it?
Which Igwe? That coward? I don't know about others, but as far as I'm concerned, this land is without a king.
How? Anyways, come and snap me. Just this last one, please.
Not again now.
Please, this last one. Please, this last one.
I must thank you for this offer. Thank you, my ancestors.
You know, I've been hiding away from police authorities, hiding away from government, living inside this booth for years, roasting, and from nowhere, my ancestors answered my prayers, bringing such a pretty apple. Oh, this is what we call fortune smile. Come on, honey, sit down. For a very long time, I've been roasting. Come, sit down. I can see clearly now. Oh, look at the Manchester. Manchester. Oh, it's gonna be sometime. It's be a night to remember. What the fuck is wrong with this idiot?
Take him now. This one come with the worker now. You know, will lead us to anywhere. Huh? See, we don't come with the whole of this bush. We don't work out to find it. No trace. Huh? You know, go better now. Make we begin the return now. What we say, we know the road. We take us courage.
Will you shut up? I said, shut up. Are you okay? Huh? The day you signed up for security work, you signed up with your life. It is never say never until it is over. Now repeat after me. Never said never until it is over.
Never said never.
Never said never until it is over.
Never said never until it is over.
Now we'll continue with this mission. We need to search until we find Amos. Like I said, never said never until it is over. What did I say? Never say never until it is over.
Never said no.
Now let's go.
Sir, please just allow us go. You will not see me here again. You will not even see me in this village again, please. Please just let me go, please. I'm the only child of my sick mother, please. Please, sir. Please.
Sir, please, I promise you will never come here again. You will never come here again, please. Please stop praying, please, sir. Please. Please, Mom, please. Sir, please.
I need blood! I need blood! I need blood! My mother brought the ring for my head. My mother brought the ring for my head. I need blood! I don't dey cap you since. I say make you easy your pressure. Easy your pressure. See, we not supposed to buy these people. See as they're fresh rich now. We no buy them. If better say we just keep them here and make them the both give us. You know the reason my Matthias. You know the reason my Matthias. See as they're fresh rich. No now. I know say your mama blood the ring for your head. It dey ring for your head anytime, anywhere, but I beg. Just understand me. Say me rock, I dey beg you say, reason my Matthias, mo no buy these people.
I say na only today you make sense. Carry them enter the inner chamber. Make we feel how they be. Operate for you. Make we know how they be.
Hey! Sir, please, please, sir, please. Sir,
just up there!
Sir, please.
Ogason, Sango and Oke are already on the search mission. I I would have gone with them, but the thing is, someone of great competence needs to stay around and maintain security. From what they told me, they have gone far. So I believe Songo and Oke will find them soon and bring them back home. I understand Amos is your childhood friend, so I know the bond between the both of you. But I know Songo is very capable. Be rest assured that he will definitely bring them back. I assure you that.
The boss, my chairman, after the creator of the universe, now you be the second in command. Now you be the deputy Alpha and Omega. Now you be the Capone. I hail you. My boss, I beg. There's just one thing I won't beg you. I beg. Make you just leave my Eva for me. Now she be the air while they breathe. Now she be the eye while they use the sea. Now she be the water while they drink. My boss, I beg. For this my full life. For my full life. I no go ever pass any road wey lead to your kingdom. Never. If I see your road, I go change. My boss, I beg. Make you just do this thing for me. I beg. I love Eva very well. I love her so much. Now she be my treasure. My boss. Instead of you to touch her, make you just kill me. Make you leave Eva for me. My boss.
You...
Mad. No best. Let me fuck up.
Amwakunna wine. Okay, you people think you have sense. I will look for you in uncompleted building. You will not be there. I will look for you in the bush. You will not be there. I know your location today. My wild film. I will show people something today. You are playing with fire. Oh, you people think you have sense. I know your location. You are playing with fire. Don't worry. I'm a young mono. You should do all right. Over. I will show people something.
Oh boy, yeah. You see this babe we don't enter our hand, eh? That one don't go.
That one will be news again now. See, and come be say don't think we'll go with the man. Make the man enjoying this album, Joe.
You see, my prayer be say make the groove work go gain from this day, make him change his mind. Whoa, come up for here, go continue my hit, begin make rabbis. You know as they be now. Begin go club. This hide never tire you.
Come on, I don't tire, swear. I don't tire.
What's happening? Huh?
Oga Napudala. Una Napudala. My sister called me on phone and told me that you people are within Nana. What kind of plane is that? The worst of it that you people do not have base. You don't have base. Today you outside the bush. Tomorrow you outside uncompleted building. Alana you don't know. Una Budano Una Mari Konsa. See, like this now I'm very angry. Just enter there and bring up my sister. Oh, Nana Kwoku, you let me in, I am talking to myself. Before I count up to 5, enter there and bring out my sister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bros, you know say before, na me call you better bros. Even though say na you put me for this wahala why I dey so. Bros, I just want make you just help me do something wey go make me call you better bros again. Abeg. Yes.
Talk your talk.
Boss, my sister, her name na Chioma. She fine well. She too fine. She even fine pass that my Eva, my treasure. Yes, she fine pass 100%. Yes, bros. I won't give am to you. Only if you go do wetin I go say make you do. Abeg.
Wetin be that?
Bros, I wan make you kill your oga so that I go carry my Eva go. Bros, abeg. If I carry my treasure go, I go carry that my sister come. Give you free of charge. You no go pay bride price.
My clear you, eh?
We don't swear to protect and serve our God forever. You don't hear me? Oh, yeah, now. Kneel down. Raise your hands up. Up, Jesus. Up, Jesus.
Sorry. Na me fuck off, bros.
89, 90, 91, 92, 98.
That person wey no go school.
Sorry. I call you Ekwensu.
Which one na for bazaar? This one na for bazaar. Na for bazaar.
94, 95. Oh. Jesus. 96, 97, 98. Auntie, Jesus, Sinoma, man, don't my belly. Yeah, but I call you crazy. It's never that enter me. Who am I? Am I mad? To be shouting at you. This, I smoke something. Please forgive me. Please, just release me. Release me, please. Release.
Iron, we'll just buy this idiot here now. What do you still there the way? See, Iron, make I cap you a time no day. We'll buy this idiot here and December.
Senior man, I beg. Senior man, don't look in face. I can stay here and work for you. Use me and do anything you want, but please don't kill me. My belly, I call you Ekwensu. Don't kill me, senior man.
You be like say, make we keep am, make him dey run alarm for us.
Senior man, yes, I agree. I go there in the run errand, but I beg, please. If you release my sister again, I swear to God, if she there here now to come, her mama go die. Her mama go die. Her mama wey dey that girl airplane too. Her mama go die. The one wey senior her mama go still die. The one wey senior person wey senior her mama go still die. Abeg, show me love, sympathy, senior man. Your face you show.
Go release those girls. Let them go.
Iron, those girls wey sweet like that. You know say they're fresh now.
I said go release them.
Senior man, please, I won't beg you for one last favor. Senior man, don't say if you release me now, I go to go. Nothing will happen. Hey, Jesus, who asked me make I talk? Who asked me make I...
I can't even talk to my own brother. See me, it's okay. It's okay, forgive me. What is okay?
You see that girl? Trying to console her is just like pouring water on a stone. What do we do?
I have something in mind.
You have something in mind. Share it so that I can come in, know when to act.
Buka, What I have in mind is bigger than you.
No, Sonny. No. I am the finest security man in this community. There is nothing that is bigger than me. Go and tell me. I will know how to handle it.
Buka, leave it for me. I want to handle it my own way.
Son of my treasure. My Eva. Now they do lovey with. Now they do totori with. As you don't want to listen to me. Just tell me the easiest way for me to die. Already. Tell me.
Oh. Now listen. I'm going to marry Eva. And I will sleep with her over and over again. I told you, pretty girls are my weakness.
Don't you. Don't. Shabala. Sorry. I mean, fuck off. Shabala. I beg.
Oga Shongo, you won't make I advise you. Because I won't tell you the truth. The whole truth. And nothing but the truth. Okay. After all, I be son of the soil. And I understand, say, anytime you ask person question, and the person keep quiet, it means, say, the person don't accept that. So get ready now. I won't fire you my truth. Oga Chongo, this thing who they find no go work. You no go work. You don't see him. How we just the waka will not get trace of any. These people will not go see them. These people don't die. Okay, you check them. Don't look them. You get any possibility where you think say we go achieve this our waka? Is it possible? They could just enter village, go tell villagers say these people they don't die. But they just carry canopy, do burial. After all, you don't take where we roof. Yeah? Maybe you are the talk to. Oga Chongo. Oga, wait. Oh, wait.
Confirm you are reading me over. We are after them. We have an information about their present location. We are after them. We will get back to you, sir. Noted.
Okay. No. They take come here. They don't disappear. The people just say they be spiritual.
That is why you have to be very careful. They are very smart. Move it.
As he be say, he don't force me to drink this drink. I know say na poison dey inside. But before I die,
if I get one last wish, I beg, and I beg you. If this man come close to you, he try to touch you or do anything to you, if you feel anything wey strong, wey be like Ebola or cassava, use this dagger, scatter your head. He no go enter you and never enter. And as for you, my boss, I know say your power pass my own. No wahala. But as I die, help me tell my people, say na love, na he kill me. My love for my treasure, Eva, na he kill me. Already sef, I don dey feel sleepy inside my body. E be like say the poison don dey work. The poison don dey work.
Challenge, even though we dey on the run inside this bush, last Moga don dey chill with that shanker. We just dey here dey observe. Anything wey go make wrong move, we cause am and nothing go happen.
Because I go, I know they go again. If you want go, allow me now go back house now. Now maybe the only son, no. I didn't say no. I will not go join this vigilante now. I go join her now. The first assignment wanna give me. Now the first thing who wanna give me. Now maybe the only son, no.
Can you just shut up? Can you just shut up and allow me to concentrate?
I don't shut up. After all, if you talk, you die. If you not talk, you die. Allow me, make I talk, I die.
Will you shut up if I shoot you now? Shut up!
I never knew Chioma is this beautiful. Indeed, she is a very beautiful.
Jidia, please.
What is it?
Not in this situation. You can't be talking about Chioma at this point.
Angela, I am having this feeling that I should forget everything about Eva and switch over to Chioma. I mean, marry her, take her to the city and end this whole saga.
Brother, whatever feelings or emotions you have for Chioma, keep it here. Bury it now. Until we know the fate of Amos and Eva. Else, I take her back. The reason I invited her here is because she's feeling lonely. Achokwa mi kwi ọzọ.
Shabola, sorry. Shabola, sorry. You're a bastard. Sorry. Shabola, sorry. Let me fuck up. Shabola, please. Shabola, I beg.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Sorry, sir. We're looking for a young man and a young lady. Did you by any chance see them?
Young man and a young lady?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Could it be one man I saw? He was carrying a lady in a barrow.
Yes, sir. That must be them. Which way did they go?
The lady is fair.
Yes, sir. Very beautiful and fair in complexion.
I advised them to go back, that this place is very dangerous. This route is very dangerous. I told them to go back.
Now the same advice we advise them. You know here.
Will you shut up? Sir, please, which way did they go?
I think they took this way.
Okay, sir.
But let me warn you. This place is very dangerous. I advise you go back to your village. Go back to where you are coming from.
Sir, we are trained members of the vigilante group.
Oga, I just start the training.
Will you shut up?
Yeah? I see the under training.
Will you shut up? Sir, like I said, we are trained members of the vigilante group. We never say never until it is over. Thank you very much, sir.
Be careful. Let's go. Be careful. This place is dangerous. Don't say I did not warn you.
Let's go.
Go here.
Let's go.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Let's go.
If I follow you again, call me bastard. I never come again. No mind am.
Very dangerous area.
Oga, no, God bless you. Thank God, say I see you. Thank God. Say I see you. You now my savior. I know they go again. Anything what you want make I do for you here, just I go do am quietly. Then you go carry me go my village. I beg.
No. Please. Calm down. Like I said, I have taken the necessary measures. And I'm assuring you here and now that your brother and Eva will return safely. The truth is that I like you so much. I do. Listen, Chioma, I want you to know this. You are so beautiful. I know I've not taken my time to observe you. Honestly, I like you so much. I know this might not be the right time, but once you are back at your right frame of mind, and you feel the same way I feel, I really want to take this to the next level. And like I said, your brother will return safely. I'll assure you.
My deputy Alpha and Omega, my boss. I beg, as my treasure Eva, they go bath now. Hope see that body guy don't follow am. No go see her nakedness.
I'm the only one that will supervise and see her nakedness.
Sorry, boss. Let me fuck up. Let me just fuck up. My boss. But if na nakedness you want see, what are they here to do now? Naked me now. Naked me. Now for you to see my treasure nakedness, because that one not die I day. Not die I day. I beg. You should not be to see that nakedness. Make it just dig and kill me. I beg.
Hey! I don't know say you fresh like this, so. Only you na goddess. I beg, just give me small hug. Just small, simple hug. Make I for the sea paradise. I beg. Huh? Hey! Get that body just going.
My deputy Alpha and Omega. You get something I want to tell you since, but I just hold am. But the gods don't speak to me. Say make I speak out. For the village where I from come, we no get Igwe. And my father was supposed to take over, but he don't die. So now me be the next. But Igwe, I won't promise you one thing. If you go fit just allow me and my Eva, we could just go. I dey see a very handsome king in you on that throne. As I dey see you like this, I dey see you for that throne. Very handsome king. This one wey you don keep quiet so. Now be say you don agree. My Igwe, I salute. Igwe, Igwe, I salute you. Igwe, abeg, if you go fit just give me small time, make I go check my treasure, Eva. Make I make sure say nobody don see her nakedness. Make nobody don see her nakedness.
Okay, I will allow you 5 minutes to take a walk all over here. Stretch it down. Know one thing, you can never escape. We will find you. But I will allow you to go and see her where she's bathing in the pond. And after, you bring her back to me. Bring her back to me. Eva.
I don't know the carry gun before. I was in a condition. But last year, you want to play.
Just how you want to die. Plus, Lopez, Nami, fuck up.
Amos, the time has come, and I will make love to her in your presence, or I kill both of you. Did I make myself clear?
Please don't kill, please. Do anything you want to do with me, but set us free.
You know, pretty girls are my weakness. Just come. Give me that. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't move.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I can confirm the arrest of the notorious criminal,
terrorizing the area. Shabara, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm bringing him down to the station right away, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, move!
Officer, I think you shot him.
Ayo, make we disappear back. Make we disappear from this place. See, on IB, that my legit informant. It and me and they kept me say, Ekelebe full all the area.
Oh boy, that's it the place. I don't live for anybody.
Ayo, as you know they fear anybody, make you no forget say they don't capture Oga. They don't disembark with them. Me, if you want, if you like, back here. I don't disembark.
Come here!
Drop your weapon now! So, both of you are the criminals that are terrorizing this community. You are under arrest for all the criminal activities in this community. You have the right to remain silent for whatever thing you say or do can be used as evidence in the court of law. You also have a right to a lawyer. Officer, cuff them. Get down! I said get down! Lie down!
Shoma, I have good and bad news for you. Good and bad news. Yes. Please, start from the good news. Eva and Amos have been rescued. But he was mistakenly hit by a bullet.
That is not true. Sorry. He was one more. Hey, I don't know. Oh, please reach hospital and see. I don't know. You don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Choma, stop crying. I'm sorry.
Amos on your love one. I don't care. Amos will love a boy. I don't care. Amos will love a boy. I don't care. Amos will want them. Faithful lover. Holy Ghost will lover.
What's happening here? I was told that.
I don't marry you. I don't marry my treasure, Eva. Now for hospital where I just wake, I can't hear say government give me 5 million naira. Because of saying my matter where they use track down notorious criminal, Shabala. As I hear this thing, all the pain within my body just go one corner. Now I tell them, say, make they carry me go court, make I go marry my treasure, Eva. All these clothes we have to sell, now borrow them, borrow also. Now from the locker to just from now, they console. I don't marry my treasure. I know they take chances.
So, here is a 5 million naira check. Congratulations.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer.
And the car I promised you.
Officer, arrest this man. Now this man put me for the wahala wa this hole.
No. He was the one that provided us with all we needed to carry out the operations. He regretted all his actions. So please forgive him.
Please. Chioma and I.
Make it not be say since one of the around they touch my sister.
Brother, he has been the one taking care of me. He also said he wants to marry me, so you could have Eva to yourself, and I agreed.
Amos, please, let this thing end happily. You now have Eva to yourself, 5 million naira and a car. Let's have a joyful moment after the ordeal we went through. Please.
Lover boy, I don't care. Amos want them. Faithful lover. Holy Ghost lover. You sabi love for your man. You sabi mumu. I don't care.